No talk, guys. So we are getting Steel Ball Run. Finally, bro. It come out this year, this summer. It gonna be amazing. Let's talk about it right now. Yeah, so we're going back to the 1890s with this one, cuz we got ourselves a paraplegic protagonist. He can't walk, but he can pull the trigger though. Fuck you mean, cuz? Bow! Yeah, so correct me if I'm wrong. I think this takes place in the same universe and timeline that Poochie had created. It just dated a few back because we still gonna get like some of the recurring characters, but they're not gonna be the same person. They're gonna be a completely different person because, like, yeah, you can literally see it in the background, and the protagonist's name is a dead giveaway. Noah, tell me what you think. You like JoJo? Are you planning to watch this? How you feel about it? Go in the comments.